Hello, everybody. I'm going to present for my course share the Google Classroom. It is part of our MSU Google Apps suite, and it's a course management system not unlike D2L, but it has some interesting features that I'd like to take you through. And I think it's a little bit more interactive than D2L, allows for some interesting sharing and input options. So once you log in, any classes that you have already begun are there and you can click them. You can also begin a new class if you want to add a class up here. But I've already started with one, so I'm going to go here. Very originally titled. I could give it a new title if I chose to. And if I want to change the theme, there are some predefined themes that go with this. I'm probably not going to do that now, but just click on that, and anybody who's used Google for a lot of time is going to feel very comfortable in that environment. I'd like to start with About, and this is a basic About page with some added good stuff here. You can add the room, a description. If I edit this, you'll see a lot more detail. And let's say I want to add a syllabus. Easy enough. Let's say I just want to pull something up here. Okay, good enough. That is not a syllabus, but for our purposes, it will work. So in the About section, anything that pertains to the class that's not time sensitive, that's a good place to put it. For students, I can add students directly by invitation, but they have to be part of my Google Apps experience previously. For that reason, there are only a couple people here from previous projects. I can give them this code, and in the D2L page, I'll show you how to do that when I invite the reviewers to look at this project. But this is how you can add students. You can either invite them directly or you can send out an email with this code in it. They do have to be on the same domain, though. Let's take a look at adding streams. So there are no upcoming assignments. You'll see how that's relevant in a minute. Here's a typical announcement, and people can comment on that or add to it. This can be reminders or anything like that. If you edit it, you'll find that there's no date reference to it, but you can add different things to it, like upload a file or add something from the Google Drive. Why not? Great artists steal, as they say. So that's an announcement. Now with assignments, these are pretty cool. I can add a due date. Let's be generous. I can add a due time. 6 a.m. That's not very generous. And then I can link. Okay, how about that one? All of the Terry Tate videos. And if I want to, I can add the same things as before. I can link to a TED Talk, and I can add a file, but now I've got it assigned. And that's basically how things work with the Google Apps for Education. Thank you and have a great day.